This is the Slimline Fireplace Door by Hearthcraft for masonry fireplaces. The Slimline has two different door style options. The Slimline shown here in satin nickel has cabinet or twin doors. Cabinet doors have one solid piece of glass in each door. And the flat black Slimline shown here has trackless bifold doors that open 180 degrees for a wide view of your firebox. Each door has two panes of glass, enabling the bifold doors to fold in half. 3/16 inch tempered safety glass is covered by a 1-year warranty. This tempered safety glass is available in the 3 tints shown here: clear, bronze, and gray. As a safety reminder, always keep the doors open when burning a fire, as the high heat can discolor the finish of the door and shatter the tempered safety glass. We here at Fireplace Doors Online care about the safety of our customers and protecting them from sparks and embers that could cause a potential house fire. To help prevent this, included with the Slimline Masonry Fireplace Door are pre-installed sliding black mesh curtains. The steel main frame of the Slimline is 3 inches wide and is 1 1/16 of an inch deep. The Slimline is more flexible than our other doors because it lacks an inner frame, so it needs to be installed against a flat surface to remain sturdy and secure. This door can be custom sized to specifications to perfectly fit your masonry fireplace. The Slimline masonry door shown here is 33 7/8 inches wide and 25 1/16 inches tall. The built-in filigree on the bottom of the door stylishly hides the door damper. The door is available in 4 finishes: antique brass, polished brass, flat black, and satin nickel. The Slimline is an overlap fit door only. It comes fully assembled with all mounting hardware included for an easy customer installation. As a reminder, overlap doors need a hearth to sit on to support the frame and won't work with hole-in-the-wall fireplaces. Outfit your masonry fireplace today with the lovely Slimline Fireplace Door, locked in at contractor pricing.